In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 easy freelancing jobs that you could do online. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by BeetsMedia, and today we're going to be showing you guys 5 easy freelancing jobs that you could do online with a freelancing site called Upwork. Job number 1, transcribing or transcription. So let's search that in the job section up here. And as you can see, these are the results from searching transcription. All right, let's see here. We have this job posting. Let's click on that. We need assistance in transcribing our podcasts and shows. Listen and correct the software's occasional misinterpretation of words and phrases. So basically, they're looking for an actual person to listen to their podcast and typing up every word that they're saying on the podcast. Because as you know, AI, as advanced they are today, they can't catch every single word and will occasionally make a mistake. So that's why some companies outsource their transcribing or transcription process to somebody that's trying to make a little bit of extra money online. Job number 2, a virtual assistant. So let's type that in. And as you can see, most of the jobs that I'm including on this list are very active. Like all of the other jobs that I'm adding on to this list, there are always a bunch of people posting jobs in related to these fields. For example, this virtual assistant job was just posted an hour ago. This person's looking for a virtual assistant to help them with a variety of tasks, including proofreading content for various platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, scheduling all social media posts, editing a book, copywriting experience is a plus, managing my meetup groups, setting events. So this person's looking for a little bit more of an advanced assistant that has previous experience, but not all of them are like that. This one was just posted 2 hours ago. He's someone with an expert in Basecamp, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Outlook, and basically this person is just looking for somebody to set up their appointments, confirm street address of location, must understand Basecamp and Google Docs. I'm not sure what Basecamp is, but a quick Google search should be able to help you out. Looks like Basecamp is just a project management and team communication software, and I'll assume that they have a subscription to this, so you don't need to pay for it. Moving along, script reading and voiceovers. As you can see here, English voiceover talent. Currently, my blog has 6 articles. I want them to be converted to audio. Ongoing help is required as well. The voiceover will be used for podcast and video audio. Willing to pay $10 per article. I need ongoing help. So just for reading over somebody's article, they're willing to pay you $10 per article, which is pretty good if you're able to read multiple articles in a certain day. If it's $10 per article, just think if you could bang out 7 articles. That's $70 right there. Next on the list is data entry. And this is a very popular job that people would try to look for freelancers. Example, if you're really good at Excel and know any formulas, which could all be Googled, by the way. A lot of people just don't like doing it, so they outsource it. Here we have a posting on data on job satisfaction in the US. They basically want you to do a little bit of research and just acquiring data for them. So that's a relatively easy job. And for this one, it's a fixed price of $100. And last on this list is a writer. Now this is probably the most sought after job on this list. As you can see, this job was just posted 4 minutes ago. Health nutrition content writer specialist. This article will be about the health benefits of biotin. Use your own title, confirm with me first, minimum of 750 words. As a content writer, your job is to educate people about a specific subject. You need to have knowledge of nutrition, health, supplements, beauty, ... They basically want you to do research on a particular topic, in this situation, biotin and the health benefits of it. You're just going to be doing research and you're just going to be writing a paper about it. Basically, they even give you what they want you to focus on, to use certain keywords, and this could be an ongoing project if they find the right person. Like if you're a really good writer, you can make a lot of money doing this. Fixed price currently for this particular project is $25. So $25 for 700 words, just doing a little bit of research, and I know what biotin is, so it wouldn't be that difficult for me to actually go out and do more research. They also want you to link to reputable studies/websites. So those are 5 easy freelancing jobs that you could do online. I hope this video helped you out. Again, a quick summary of the jobs is transcribing, virtual assistant, script reading or voiceovers, data entry, freelance writing. And of course, there are countless other jobs that you could do with little to no experience. If you would like another video for 5 more easy freelancing jobs, please leave it in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. And if you would like to see more videos helping you build your income online, feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This has been BeetsMedia, and I'll see you guys later.